गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कॉर्डेट्स जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसके अंतर्गत हमने फिश का क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़ लिया था। आज हम एम्फीबिया क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में बात करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम एम्फीबिया के जनरल कैरेक्टर्स क्या होते हैं इनके बारे में देखते हैं। एम्फीबिया कॉर्डेट ग्रुप कॉर्डेट फाइलम का ही एक मेंबर है और अबाउट 3000 स्पीसीज में आती हैं और दे आर द फर्स्ट कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स टू हैव टू बी अपीयर्ड ऑन द लैंड। The characteristics of the amphibia are they can live both land and in water. वो जो कि पानी में और स्थल दोनों पे पाए जाते हैं। They are ectothermic animal found in the warm environment. Their body is divided into head and trunk. The tail may or may not be present. The skin is very smooth, rough, without any scale, but with the glands which make it moist. दे हैव नो पेयर फिन एज दे जैसे कि फिन्स जो फिशेज में प्रेजेंट होती हैं इनमें कोई फिन्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होती। अनपेयर्ड फिन्स माइट बी प्रेजेंट। दे हैव टू पेयर्स ऑफ लिम्ब फॉर लोकोमोशन। दे रेस्पिरे फॉर द lungs and skin. Gills might be present externally in some adult. The heart is three-chambered. These are the general character of the amphibia. Some more are the kidney are mesonephric. The excretory material includes ammonia and urea. They possess 10 pair of cranial nerves. The lateral line system is present during their development. The sexes are separate and fertilization is usually external. And in salamander, the fertilization is internal. Development may be development is indirect with metamorphosis. Breeding occur in water. The copulatory organ are absent in male. The example of these are this amphibia are frog, salamander, and blindworms. Next, this is the outline classification of amphibia. Amphibia is divided into two subclass, Stegocephali and Laceamphibia. This Stegocephali is extinct and divided into three orders, Labyrinthodont, Physopodile and Lepospondyle. These are the three orders of the Stegocephali. They are extinct. But in Laceamphibia, they are divided into three orders, Gymnophobia, जिसे कहते हैं Apoda, Uredella and Anura. These are the three living orders of amphibia. First of all, we are study the extinct classes, the Stegocephali, the extinct species. They have pentadactyl limbs, skin and scales and bony plates are present as is seen in this pictures. The Labyrinthodontias, they are the primitive amphibians. They are also called as the stem amphibian. Teeth large and folded dentine, some as the crossopterian fishes. The fishes they are evolved from the fishes, so they are more likely to their crossopterian fishes. The extinct aerops, these are the diagram of the aerops. The second is extinct classes is Phylospondyle. These are the small salamander like notochord and spinal cord housed in a common cavity, and Brachiosaurus. This is the Brachiosaurus picture. The Lepospondyle, these are the small eel-like structure, eel-like body, vertebrate of the single piece, and neural arch and centrum continuous. And Diplodocus are the member of this extinct amphibia. The next is the living classes of amphibias. The amphibia is divided into three orders. The classification of amphibia is given below. First is they are called as Apoda, Urodela, and Silentia. These are the three orders of living amphibia. The Apoda means without leg. These are limbless organisms with scales on their body. On the head, two eyes are present. They are also known as the blind worm because their eyes are covered with the skin or the scales or the bone. The tentacles on their heads are the chemosensory organs and help them to detect the underground prey. They possess venous gland. The mucus secreting organs are produced. They reduce water loss, and lungs are asymmetrical. The skin shows minute cycoid scales. In the male apoda animals, copulatory organ is present. Fertilization is internal. The कुछ एग्जाम्पल जो हैं इस अपोडा के, they are the limb lens amphibia. The member of these is Ichthyophis. These are the blind worm. They are called as the limb lens amphibia. Genophis and Eurytyphus. These are they collectively called as Cassisians. Next order is Urodela. This is also called as Chordata. These are the organism with a tail. The body is elongated with the 4 equally sized limbs. The limbs are present. Skin is smooth with the poison glands. The fertilization is internal. They feed on the insects and the worms. They are found under leaf litter, in the soil, or in the in the water. In the southern US, they produce primarily in the winters. Very little difference between male and females are there, and spermatophores are utilized for the internal fertilization. They possess hidden gills are present. The members of these are Nectarus, Proteus, Molge, and the Amblyostoma. These are the picture of this Nectarus. This is the diagram. This is the picture of Proteus. This is the newt or the Molge, and this is the Amblyostoma. Next is the last order of amphibia, Anura, or it is called as Silentia. There are around 3,400 species of Anura in the world. They have 4 limbs, and front limbs are elongated and modified to the jump. And head and trunk are fused together. The tail is present only in the larval stage and is lost in the adult. In Silentia, metamorphosis is found. The fertilization is external and eggs are laid in the water. The example of this Silentia are the frogs and toad. And some common members are Elytus, this is called as midwife toad, Cocopus, burrowing frog, and the Xenopus and Bufo. These are the picture of midwife toad. This is the picture of Coccus, and this is the Xenopus, and this is Bufo. These are the diagrams showing different members of the Anura. This the class जो एम्फीबी का क्लासिफिकेशन है वो बहुत छोटा सा और क्यूट है. 3 ऑर्डर्स में हमने इसको डिवाइड किया है. कुछ में वाइल्ड ब्लाइंड वॉर्म्स आते हैं, एनूरा के अंदर फ्रॉग्स एंड टोड्स आते हैं, and this is all over the classification of amphibia. Thank you very much, and the next topic will be the classification of reptiles. Thank you.